Oh, it's good. It's firm, it's solid, but it feels safe, secure.
Yeah.
Trust it.
Yeah. Yeah, this can be really hard to receive, like the next stuff. If someone's kind of going too hard, so that's the art of this, is kind of getting that pressure right. So that in the placement of your thumbs or your elbows, whatever you got in your tool you're using, get it out in the right spot so it does feel therapeutic. G'day guys, Ninja Darcy. G'day. We're going to do a comprehensive neck treatment today. So all the money spots be in one treatment. So
beautiful.
Jump down, Darcy. I'll show you what we do.
All right. Need a bit of a neck treatment.
Yeah. I'm going to do the left-hand side, so hopefully you saw on your left.
Yeah.
So just going to show you all the things we do, just in a good warm-up between the shoulder blades, along the spine here as well. So give that a little warm-up. So a lot of the muscles that come up into the neck actually start down in the traps and off the shoulder blade there. So everything's connected in the body, so through the fascial lines. So you can take some pressure off, some tension off down the chain, then it's easier.
Yeah.
We go to work it up in the neck. Does that feel, man?
Good. Feel how it's all connected.
Yeah.
Oh.
So yeah, just working nice and slow. It's just me warm up, not even just to check it. I suppose we can see how it feels in there. I'm going to go inside the shoulder blade here. That kind of levator scap region. But yeah, just the traps in general that are attaching on through the shoulder blade here. So this can often be the spot for people, So that zings pain up into their neck, behind their ear, up around their eye, even from here. So this holds a lot of tension. Most people say, we want to pin it and wait for it to melt, clear.
Oh, it's good. That goes up into my neck too, base of the head.
It does, yeah. Just feel there's different little spots just appearing, coming up into my hand, and then just hold them and deal with them. Like that.
Oh.
It's going to cruise through.
It's really good. Oh. Probably one of my favourite treatments getting this done, so
yeah.
Love it.
Oh. Yeah, as a human, I believe we all should be getting this like every 3 months at least.
Yeah.
Every month would be even better.
Yeah.
We've just got so much stress going on in our lives and a lot of sitting going on. So the body, likes to move. It was designed to move. It wasn't designed to be sitting on chairs or in the car or wherever at dinner. So we were designed, barefooted and roaming around, walking a lot, and working, physical exertion, and that's sort of something that not everyone does these days.
Yeah.
So the old Bodywork combats that stress build up.
Yeah.
And then I suppose what I said before too, stress. Mental stress, family stress, money stress, all the different kinds of stresses that are thrown at us from the society we live in, that all builds up and collects in the shoulder blades, in the neck as well. So getting treatment like this can help abate that. And kind of helps you know what it's about as well, because you connect in with the pain, so you kind of know, that's finance, that's my relationship, or that's whatever, when you kind of have it worked on. And quite often you can look at it with a less emotional mind, because one of my favourite little sayings is, when emotion is high, intelligence is low. So when we're really emotional, we can't see clarity.
Yeah.
We can't see the other side, the other person's perspective, things like that. But in the clear light of day, you can kind of have a broader view and then understand where somebody else is coming from and why things occurred and things like that. So it's important.
Yeah.
Get your body work done.
Yeah.
Our fascial system is a library of our triumphs and traumas. So if it's locked in there, it's not paying rent. It's not helping you to evolve, to be a more mature human.
Yeah.
So I'm just sort of doing some little spots that I know are likely to be tight, stressed on Darcy here.
You're hitting them all, man. Very good. I'm enjoying it.
Yeah. So I suppose with bodywork, it's really important to hit the key spots well, rather than just be busy and go everywhere and hit everything kind of poorly, or half-assed, whatever you want to say. So that's kind of what we want when we go and get bodywork. We want change. We're not happy with the current state, so we kind of want some help because we're a bit stuck. And that's what it's all about. Clearing the blocks and then letting homeostasis, is that right?
Yeah, homeostasis, yeah.
Homeostasis occur, balance.
Yeah. Equilibrium.
Yeah. So yeah, just clearing in here. So on the traps, you can kind of, these are thinner muscles when we're going up through here, so we don't get more of a stretch rather than trying to dig in too much, and see what kind of appears as well when we kind of get into like the transverse processes coming out, kind of out to this level here. So you can kind of feel where things are attaching on perhaps in there.
Feels good to receive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's good for us to receive it in there, man, because then we got the compassion.
Yeah.
We know what it's like, when someone's really connected in, or if someone's sort of a bit not really concentrating, not tuned in, and they're kind of not really hitting the spots, or they're going a bit fast, or they're going not as deep, or they're not staying on the spots. All those different things, you really pick up on that when you're receiving. So there's just this language, this conversation going on the whole time, but it's not a verbal conversation, it's actually a physical conversation, and you know what that means when you're receiving it, and you kind of know there's light at the end of the tunnel, or you know that it's been a waste of time, it's no change is really going to occur. So, and we're really intent on making permanent changes for people, clearing these old blocks and patterns and things like that, and then allowing them to go forward, heal and go forward, and not let it come back. Do the movement, do the mind work that you need to do to process things, and then got the lesson, and you're resilient after that. Water off a duck's back.
Yeah.
So I'm just clearing along the base of the skull here, where all these muscles are attaching up in here. And a lot of times this feels really therapeutic, and what we try and do is get underneath the skull, where a lot of times it'll be more superficial, it'll be here like that. But if you can kind of get underneath the skull that bit more, you've got more chance of clearing that really deep stress. The reason I thought to do this video, I kind of had this guy come in that had months and months of neck pain. He was, tiling, so he was outdoor tiling, and these big tiles like 1.2 meters long and big heavy things, and doing them on walls. So, and he was wasn't a young fellow, he was about 60, so he was still working hard, worked hard for 45 years. And had this real bad headache, and he usually went and got different injections. So that would have been his method of getting things right. cortisone shots and things. And this time it didn't work. And like he'd come in with all the different scans and different things like that, and looking at discs and whatever. But it was a soft tissue that was the issue, because when I worked on the deep, fascial lines and stuff, like things were starting to move, the headache was clearing. So the scans didn't show the whole picture, So we needed to work on the cause and clear that bits that were gunked up, scarred up, stuck. Once you clear that, then the movement can come back. The nerves are free to move through. Everything can flow again. The body can heal. Doesn't have to be in that protection pattern. So what I'm doing here, I'm pulling back with this hand, so I'm going to create a bit of traction so I can kind of get in even more.
Oh, yeah.
Like that.
Oh, it's good. It's firm, it's solid, but it feels safe, secure.
Yeah.
Trust it.
Yeah. Yeah, this can be really hard to receive, like the neck stuff. If someone's kind of going too hard, so that's the art of this, is kind of getting that pressure right. So that in the placement of your thumbs or your elbows, whatever you got in your tool you're using, get that in the right spot so it does feel therapeutic.
Yeah.
You're not sort of just pushing straight into a trigger point and fucking you just want to run away.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to be able to relax to a point and surrender to the treatment. It's going to come out slow. So I'll come around so you can see. Just stay there, Jack. So if we want to, work along the neck, I can kind of get in here like this. Might need a little bit of wax on the thumb, but see how we go.
Yeah.
So I can kind of pull with the fingers up on the skull, so that gives that traction, and then work down. So you just work, you can work thoroughly, or you can kind of work on spots where you're identified as being stuck. Just scoop it down, but I'm really staying engaged and relentless, like that. So these are all really good stuff for getting movement back in your neck and getting rid of these headaches and pains in the different spots in your neck. So you can do that for other spots. But one more thing I want to show is just on the skull as well. There's different muscles that are connecting on it, but you've got the fascial continuum. So we can go from the bottom of the skull there. I can kind of stretch over and I can stretch up like that. So, and then I can go into the muscles in the back of the head there. So that kind of can feel really good.
Yeah.
If you've got a lot of tension. Like that. Don't have a diagram on us, but you can look at the back of the skull. There's these red strips of muscle in the back of here and right around the side here as well. So if there's muscle, there's likelihood of stress and tension in it. And our face as well, so that's probably for another video, but yeah, it can actually work on the face because it's just all muscles, all these different muscles that allow us to have different facial expressions and be able to chew and different things like that, talk. So it's all muscle behind there, so you can work it.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's sort of the crux of the video. So yeah, just be thorough, go where the tension is, and you can work with your person as well. Ask them about how it feels as you're working. Is it a good spot? Is it meaningful? And you know you're going to make a difference. So yeah, I suppose if you want to learn from us, Aaron and myself, look in the links. We do have a Bodywork Bible. You can buy that, and you can upgrade that to do our mentorships. So online, and there's in-person components of that as well. But look us up, give us a call, and we can get you in, teach you how to change lives, because it's awesome. It's so meaningful, and the connections you make, and it's good when you get good at something as well. And I like it because I'm just helping people, you know. So it's great, help people do whatever they want to do. I'll say it a bit, but we all just want to hang out with our family and friends and have fun. So if your body is well, you've got a better chance of doing that. So be a body worker. It's the best thing in the world. Darn.